All right, so yeah, I think that was a blue, so good job. I don't know. Definitely could have done that one better. Kind of want to do it again. Meh. Yeah, next time we'll get him, kid. All right, what's going on YouTube today? It's a busy day at Raging River. Woo! 4-day weekend. Everybody wants to get their little workouts in. Beautiful day in the PNW. Nice and cool. Probably gonna get a little hot from this climb. But we'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's check in a little bit. Let's go. All right, we're still in the climb here. Look at that, dude. That's gorgeous. The power lines aren't, but that view is great, man. North Bend, Washington. Whew. So yeah, we're gonna be on this for a little bit longer. Trying to get to the top of Poppin Tops. And then we'll see where we go from there. Maybe try and do some PT, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm into tech today. Yep, you know who it is. Mr. Hike a Bike. I don't know, I just don't care to get tired going up. I understand the whole, earn your turn stuff, but whatever. I understand it, I get it. But it's Mr. Hike a Bike, baby. And I'm gonna hike until I'm ready to ride again. But yeah, we're almost at the top, so, let's just get into it. All right, Poppin Tops. Nice. 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 All right, gonna go back for one more. Not as flowy as I thought it'd be. I guess not really not flowy, but a lot more gravel and bigger rocks, like in the berms and whatnot. But yeah, just different. This reminds me a lot of Cold Creek. Very similar in style here, which I guess I'm familiar with, so it's pretty fun. Dirt's pretty good, we're getting some traction. Not bad. All right, let's get back into it. Yes, sir. All right, now we're at lower Poppin Tops now. So actually, it starts you right here. If you keep going this way, you're gonna go to pretty much the top of Poppin Tops, and then you'll drop into that. You'll see where we'll connect onto it and keep going down. But yeah, this is the actual entry to Poppin Tops lower side. All right, here's our entry. All right, here we go now. Ooh, come out smoking out of that. Woo. Oh man. So I guess we should get up, huh? All right, Bretta. Let's get her done. Woo! Let's fix your feet, dude. Nice double. Woo! All right, man, definitely underestimated this one. Woo! Are we sure that's a green, dude? All right, so yeah, I think that was a blue, so good job. I don't know. Definitely could have done that one better. Kind of want to do it again. Man. Yeah, next time we'll get him, kid. All right, so this is actually flow state upper. So that was still Poppin Tops lower. All right, now I'm confused. That was it? Yeah, we're doing this again. Yeah, I'm tired, dude. All right, y'all, so that was my day at Raging River. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, do the stuff, you know what I'm saying? All right, see ya.